Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com, and in today's episode, I got a treat for you guys, okay? We're gonna be covering on this board the software tech that you need in order to run a successful business online, okay? Now, the tech is interchangeable, all right? Choose what it is that you feel comfortable with going with. I'm just going to be referring to you things that I already use for my online business, all right? Now, funny enough, somebody asked me, like, if I was to start all over again, what is one thing or some things that I wish I'd known in order for me to just get up and running quick with low cost and just go, right? The reason why I say it's funny because this right here, somebody paid $5,000 in order for somebody to tell them this, what I'm about to tell you. Okay, so if you were to just steal this video, run your own agency, the going price for this information is about $5,000. Go figure, right? Anyway, I'm about to give you the quick rundown of just the software tech that you need. I'll cover the hardware depending if you... Anyway, let's get through the list because I want to make this video short and concise and leave as much jargon out of this video as possible, okay? Anyway, so we're going to start off at step one, all right? In my last video, in my last video, I covered that you need web hosting, right? Web hosting is your digital landlord. It hosts your website and all its content on servers. So A2 hosting is my recommended web hosting service. Reason for this is they're awesome with customer service. Like if you have any issues, you could just phone them and you're on the call within minutes, all right? So they cover your domain name. So if you do not have a website, or if you do have a website with GoDaddy or HostGator, whatever it is, you could just switch your domain name to their servers. All right, it's super simple. They'll walk you right through it. Anyways, so you could get your domain name and they'll install WordPress for you. So you have that first part just handled just by going with them. Low cost, about $350 or $4 a month to have your website running on their servers, and it's just super simple. Like I cannot over explain this enough. Trust me with this, like you would not be disappointed with their service. Moving right along, step number two, all right, if you want to have a nice customized website, doesn't matter what vocation you do, whether you're a dentist, a doctor, a lawyer, a politician, a personal trainer like myself, Divi theme allows you to dress up your website based on whatever profession that you have. And they have pre-custom templates ready to go. All you got to do is just plug and play with your content, okay? And it's super simple, and there's tons of videos out there with Divi. My favorite person to help you build a website, his name is Mac. I'll put his information in the description below. He's helped me build a ton of websites just by watching his tutorials. Set aside an hour, go through his tutorials, and you won't be disappointed. You'll have your website running within that afternoon, all right? So follow step one and then step two. Now, step number three is email service provider. Now, if you want a free email service provider, MailChimp is the way to go. They cover your first 500 email subscribers for free. So I would go with MailChimp if you like totally want to bootstrap it and not pay for an email service provider service. But I use ConvertKit. They do this for they are awesome email service provider for content creators, right? Just like myself. So they make it super simple to tag, track, all of that stuff. I'm going to keep the jargon to a minimum, but this is a great way to grow your email list, contribute to your email list, and awesome service with these guys as well. Anyway, moving right along, we have know your strengths, okay? And I mean this, all right? When you are about to become a, well, you're not about to become, you are a content creator. Become a content creator. So now you want to choose your strengths. Don't follow like people like myself if you're not a videographer or if you're not strong in video, if you don't like being in front of the camera all the time. But if you do, if your strength is video, I would recommend going with YouTube. If your strength is in audio, you have that Barry White sort of sultry radio voice, go with a podcast. All right, if you don't want to be on camera every day. If you are a writer, I suck at writing. I can't write for shit. So if you are a great writer, like you write in your journal every day, document yourself out loud, start a blog, okay? But overall, everything here is geared towards having you become a content creator. When you become a content creator, you are tapping into infinite potential at this point, all right? Because there is magic in creating content. Like by creating content on a regular basis, the world will open up to you because you are a creative center. All power flows to and through you. All right, so all content that you create is powerful, okay? And it doesn't matter like what sort of content that you create, don't overthink it. Everything is content. Basically, you doing Snapchat videos, like posting your food, that is content right there. But what you're doing is feeding that content into the likes of Instagram, into the likes of Facebook and even YouTube, right? But instead of just placing it at the hands of these platforms, now you have built your own platform, right? And you can feed the content that you're already feeding to those different platforms onto your own platform. So that way, when people are searching for how to X and you become a content creator in that sort of space, what happens is searches will be leading straight to you. And the more attention that comes to you, the more opportunities that you have to offer value and ask for the sale, right? So just software, rough math on this is about like $100 for the year. This is 80 bucks, and this is $30. I would say anywhere like a start in range, $250. Do this and you're on your way to like on a successful journey. Like as simple as this is, a lot of people won't execute on this because they think that there's this other magic dragon that's going to slay this and give them the goods right away. All right, don't be falling for those dragons. All right. This is as simple as it gets, okay? This right here is just the software part. Now, if you're a YouTuber or a podcaster, then there's different hardware tech that you'll probably need. If you're a blogger, all you need is Google Drive, Google Docs, or Word, what's the other one? Microsoft Word, and just start writing your articles there and then just copy and paste it onto your blog. But if you are a YouTuber, right, and starting off just filming videos, I started season 1 all on my phone, so you can literally use your phone. But if you want like hardware tech, like up your production value, then I can recommend other cameras that I'm using, but it's not necessary if you're just totally bootstrapping. If you're a podcaster, the Zoom H4. Also, this right here, what is this again? The Isotope Spire Studio. Great to catch podcasting. Or you could just use your phone again if you're a podcaster, man. Literally, that's it. And just publish every single day. Become a content creator and publish every single day. And trust me, come back here, thank me a year later. Take this, put it into work, and then come back and thank me a year later, all right? Because literally, when I figured this all out, my world just changed. My income just rose. So I'm far from my goal right now, but hey, I'm a lot closer than a lot of people that's just going around in circles and not just focusing on what really is important. Anyway, quick caveat. I'm going to have all of these links down in the description below. They're also on my website in the recommended section. I am an affiliate for A2 Hosting. All right, they have an awesome affiliate program. So if you were to use them, I would highly recommend testing them out. And then if you like what you see and you come across people who are in the same position as you right now, give them a referral too, and you will get some revenue your way. Also, Divi, I'm an affiliate for Elegant Themes, so if you were to go through my link, I'll get a commission as well. Awesome theme builder, awesome website builder, page builder, all of that in there. So man, I can't overstate this enough. It's just really that simple. Also, ConvertKit, I am an affiliate for them too, so I can speak for like their email service providing, and they're awesome tech. I have no issues with them so far. If there were any issues, I'll let you guys know. I'm still running through and sending emails to my list. Easy, no crashes, nothing. Everything goes on schedule. Yeah, and then you see, like, we're on season 3, episode 70 something. I don't know what episode we're at right now, but it's really that simple, man. And I can't put it any simpler than that. If there's a easier way, let me know. But this right here will get you started and get you publishing today. All right, if you were to just do this today, you can start publishing today. Anyways, that's my time. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, hit me up in the comments, let me know, and I'll be able to answer you right away. If you want me to go deeper into any one of these points, let me know and I'll go deeper. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your guala. Peace.